Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320 is type Airbus A20 and 1 miles east of Heathrow 3.
Airbus 320 radar, contact 1 mile, east of Heathrow 700 feet. Altimeter 29.901.
Roger, Airbus 320.
Airbus 320 contact Northolt approach on 126.45. Good day.
Going to 126.45 Airbus 320. Northolt approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320 2,100 feet.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320 Northolt approach altimeter 29.901 continuous planned. Airbus 320 contact begin approach on 129.405. Good day.
129.405 for Airbus 320. Begin approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320 2,000 feet.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320 begin approach altimeter 29.901 continue as planned. Airbus 320 contact Northolt approach on 126.45. Good day.
126.45 for Airbus 320. Northolt approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320 2,300 feet.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320 Northolt approach altimeter 29.901 continue as planned. Airbus 320 contact Benson approach on 136.45. Good day.
Going to 136.45 Airbus 320. Benson approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320 2,300 feet.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320 Benson approach altimeter 29.901 continue as planned. Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320 Oxford approach altimeter 29.901 continue. Airbus 320 contact Birmingham approach on 131.005. Good day.
131.005 Airbus 320.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-Ray 320 Birmingham approach altimeter 29.901 continue as planned.
Birmingham approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 is type Airbus A20 and 3 miles west of Birmingham 2,200 feet. Request flight following.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 Birmingham approach. Squawk 5225.
Squawk 5225 Airbus 320.
Airbus 320 radar contact 8 miles southwest of Echo Golf Tango Juliet 2,400 feet. Altimeter 29.901.
Roger Airbus 320.
Airbus 320 contact Cosford approach on 135.
Going to 135.875 Airbus 320. Coford approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 2,300 feet.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 Cosford approach altimeter 29.901 continue as planned. Airbus 320 contact Shawberry approach on 133.15. Good day.
133.15 Airbus 320. Shawberry approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 2,500 feet.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 Shawberry approach altimeter 29.901 continue as planned. Airbus 320 contact Manchester Center on 118.775. Good day.
Going to 118.775 Airbus 320. Manchester Center Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 4,000 feet.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 Manchester Center altimeter 29.901 continue as planned. Airbus 320 contact land for approach on 122.5. Good day.
Going to 122.5 Airbus 320. Land for approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 4,500 feet.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 land bed approach altimeter 29.901 continue as planned. Airbus 320 contact Valley approach on 125.225. Good day.
125.225 Airbus 320. Valley approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 5,000.
Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 Valley approach altimeter 29.901 continue as planned.
Valley approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320. Request clearance to transition Charlie airspace.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 Valley approach. Cleared through the Charlie airspace.
Cleared through Charlie airspace Airbus 320.
Airbus 320 contact Dublin approach on 1.
Dublin approach Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 5,200 feet.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 Dublin approach altimeter 29.901 continue.
Dublin Tower Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 is 5 miles south 4,400 feet with Yankee to land.
Airbus Alpha Sierra X-ray 320 Dublin Tower. Altimeter 29.901 wing 317 at 11. Make left downwind runway.
1,000. 500. 400. 300. 200.
'Airbus 320, wind 317 and 11. Cleared to land runway 28 left.
Cleared to land runway 28 left Airbus 320.
500. 400. 300. 200. 100. 60.
'Airbus 320, contact ground on 121.8.
121.8 for Airbus 320.